How to increase FPS in Brawl Stars. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Brawl Stars. Enter your login credential as in your user ID and the password and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then you have to move into settings. Inside settings, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the music is turned off. Once you turn off the music, it will definitely improve your FPS. Now the next thing you want to do is to change the location. So click on this location menu. Different location will be visible to you. Scroll down and you have to set for United States. You simply have to click on United States. Here it says, are you sure you want to change the location? Location can only be changed once a day. So click on confirm. So once the location has been changed, now what you want to do is simply head over to the app information of the application and then move into storage. Inside storage, you have to clear the storage and the cache of the app. Once that's been cleared, it will remove all of the unwanted bugs that you have in the app. And it will also help you to increase the FPS and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can increase FPS on Brawl Stars. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.